The evidence is everywhere. You never have to be ashamed of believing the Bible, or feel humiliated if you cannot produce any physical evidence when challenged by unbelievers. To get up to speed on the evidence supporting the Bible only takes a little study. The following 17 sites are just the tip of the iceberg of physical evidence supporting the biblical record. Caesarea Maritima, Hezekiah's Tunnel, Megiddo, Capernaum, Sea of Galilee, Pool of Siloam, Walls of Jericho, Sodom and Gomorrah, Mount Sinai, Babylon, Antioch of Syria, Island of Patmos, Pool of Bethesda, Nineveh, Nazareth, Straight Street of Damascus, Ur of the Chaldeans. All of these locations prove that the biblical authors are not making things up. Plus, we have mountains of evidence for Noah's flood, Joshua's long day, and many other biblical events. These pieces of evidence have been found around the world. Physical evidence supporting the biblical record is not limited to just the Holy Land. The good news is, you do not have to be an archaeologist or a seasoned historian to learn, understand, and know all about these locations and other pieces of evidence. The evidence speaks loud and clear, providing support for your biblical faith and trust in God. God does not lie, and archaeology and history have shown that statement to be true. Just keep in mind that we will never get so much evidence that faith is destroyed. There is only going to be just enough physical evidence to support one's Christian faith. Faith will always be essential when it comes to salvation. Plus, faith pleases God, and He is not going to destroy what pleases Him. The key to learning about all this archaeological and historical evidence is to not listen to unbelievers. They do not have the keys to the past and do not have a full picture of it. All Christians do, because we have the Bible guiding every step we take. The Bible is true, and the archaeological and historical evidence backs it up every day.